Where are the drugs, son? Who taught you this?
Make a videotape.
I am. Who taught you this? Where are the drugs?
Through my left pocket. Shut up, Rosie. We're trying to make a film here. Cut.
Like that, boy.
Daisy, no.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Get back on the floor right now. Get him, Daisy.
It's only gonna get worse the more you use it.
Don't fight it. Don't fight it.
I love it. I love that he's like, oh, careful. I love that he's like, they're in my left pocket.
Okay, now give Daisy some love. Hey, 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 easy.
Some sugar.